Well, hello there, young lady. What are you doing this fine morning? I'm not sure if you know about this, but I'm a star, and I'm 4.5 billion years.
Hey, Mr. Sun, I'm just going to the store.
Well, hello, kid. I am about 4.5 billion years old.